So in going to look at these two questions together, we're going to look at percentage recovery and the density question together because both are just asking you to use two known formula, plug in values and solve. So the first question wants to know, well, what was the percentage recovered? And we have a formula here where percentage recovery is equal to the mass of the pure substance all over the mass of the sample. And because it's percentage, it's multiplied by 100. So we have a look here to see, well, what is each element here? So we see that 5.37 grams of the material, so that was the mass of the sample, we recrystallized, and they gave yielded 2.5 grams of pure material. So that's the mass of the pure material. And we're looking for the percentage recovered. So we can plug these in. The percentage is going to be the mass of the pure material, which is 2.51 grams, all over 5.37 grams multiplied by 100. And this gives you an answer here of 46.74. And this is percent. And it tells you here, really important, not to forget your percentage sign. So you have to include this in your answer in Moodle, your percentage sign. And then it also wants it just to one decimal place. So the percentage is going to be equal to 47.6%. So that's the percentage recovery question. Now we have a lovely density question here. So we know that we can use one of these triangles. Once we have three variables and we know two and we're looking for one, we can use a triangle. And some students like to use their thumb to cover over the one that they don't know. So for instance, we're using this one here. We're looking for density. And we know that density is equal to mass per volume. So what we're going to do is we're going to read down to our question and identify these elements here. So the volume measured is 8.9. So we can plug that in, 8.9 milliliters. And the mass is 8.09 grams here. And you're looking for the density. So when you divide these, you should get an answer here of, we'll just scroll up here to see what it gives you. It gives you 0.908 and it wants it to two decimal places. So we say 0.91. And then we must identify the units that we have, which in this case are grams per milliliter. And this can be written two ways. It can be written as grams. Let's just see if I get my pen to work here. It can be written as grams per milliliter, ml to the minus one, or the way we have it here in this question is just grams per millimeter. So this is how you do that question.